Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group G. We'll present the result of our report. Before we start, I will introduce our members. I'm Mulan Febriani as the moderator, Yulia Siti Zulaiha, speaker 4, Lia Dralova, speaker 3, Nova Adinda Simanjunta, speaker 1, and Liz Anissa Jupri, speaker 2. Okay, the first speaker will be delivered about introduction. Nova, time is yours.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Wulan. So today, now I will explain about the background. So in this project, we focus explain about descriptive text. So this is a text that explain or describe an object completely. So this is descriptive text is important to learn and to understand. And dengan deskriptif teks ini, siswa dapat mempelajari bahasa Inggris dan juga mengasah kemampuan karena terdapat struktur-struktur dan juga dapat mempelajari bahkan memahami simple grammar and verb, I think, and student can menambah vocab-vocab baru dengan deskriptif teks karena deskriptif teks ini adalah menjelaskan suatu objek dengan cukup spesifik dan juga efektif untuk pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. So, dalam pembelajaran ini juga objektif. So, student understand descriptive text. This is adalah setiap siswa memahami dan mempelajari descriptive text dan bagian-bagian dalam descriptive text. Dan juga setelah siswa memahami dan juga memahami descriptive text, student can analyze descriptive text like this structure or karakteristik dan lain sebagainya, bahkan contoh dari descriptive text. So here scope and limitation. So pada proyek ini kami memilih topik yaitu descriptive text dan time allocation-nya 2 kali 45 minutes. So this is here the material. So here ini adalah menjelaskan descriptive text like structure and example and others, and have learning objectives. So student watch an explanatory video related to descriptive text, and after that they can understand and then have a discussion and also a quiz. So this is a limitation. So focus on understanding descriptive text, structure, and semua yang berkaitan tentang descriptive text akan dipelajari, hanya fokus pada pembelajaran itu, dan juga focus on discussing material related to descriptive text, and the last focus on studying descriptive text and only those related to descriptive text and grammar in simple terms. I think that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nova. Next material will be delivered by Anissa.
Okay, thank you, Ulan. I will explain the literature review for of this project, which is focused on the use of descriptive text in reading learning for junior high school. So, firstly, according to Anderson 2003, descriptive text is very useful for beginning readers because of its familiar and predictable structure. Usually, this text consists of two main parts, namely identification and description. This consistent structure helps students organize information mentally, making the process of understanding, reading easier and more focused. In addition, this approach is also in accordance with the stage of cognitive development of 7th grade students based on the theory of Charles 1983. At this age, students are in a transition periods from learning to read to reading to learn. That is, they are no longer just learning to read letters and words, but are starting to be directed to make meaning from reading. Because descriptive texts are concrete and not too complex, students can focus more on the strategy of understanding the content of the reading without being burdened by the structure of our content that is too complex. This is very helpful in development deeper and analytic analytical reading skill. So in the theory, the use of descriptive text is very relevant and effective to support reading learning objectives at this level. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Anissa. Next material will be delivered by April about procedure.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So, in this project, my team and I create a lesson plan with the topic of descriptive text for 7th grade junior high school students with a focus on reading skills. This project was created in stage starting from the initial discussion to the final preparation of the document. First, we held a group discussion to determine the topic and learning objective. After considering several options, we agreed to choose descriptive text because this topic is quite relevant and commonly taught in 7th grade. We also set several learning objectives such as identify main idea, finding specific information in the text, recognizing adjective and verb vocabulary, and understanding the structure of descriptive text. After that, we search for and selected supporting materials in the form of learning video from YouTube. We choose a video that explains the definition of descriptive text, complete with examples that are easy for students to understand. This video is used in the free activities section. Next, we complete several learning activities consisting of watching the video as an opening, 30-minute discussion to answer the questions that have been prepared while providing comments on the opinions of two friends, quizzes and short assignment to test students understanding of the content, structure, and vocabulary in descriptive text. So after all, the materials and activity are complete. One member compiles everything into a complete lesson plan document, starting from the objective, indicators, activity procedure to the form of assessment use. Okay. That's all from me. Next to moderator.
Okay, thank you, April. Next material about lesson plan will be delivered by Yulia.
Okay, I would like to explain about the lesson plan. First of all, I need to highlight that this lesson plan is about to teach descriptive text, and the focus skill is reading skill, and the lesson objective of this course are the first one is to expected that student will be able to identify the main idea of descriptive text. And then the second one, students are expected to be able to scan for specific information in descriptive text. And then the third one, students are expected to be able to recognize the purposes, adjective, vocabulary, verb in the descriptive text. And then the last one, students are expected to be able to understand the organization of descriptive text. And actually, in order to reach this lesson objective, there are several indicators. The first one, that student can determine the main idea of the descriptive text after watching the video, and then students can locate and extract some specific details about the descriptive text during the lesson activity, and then students can identify the purpose and some adjective used in descriptive text, and students can distinguish between the structure of descriptive text. And for the assessments in the lesson plan, we did several assessment. First one is by discussion. This discussion is done by discussion forum that students need to post their opinions regarding to the question provided in the discussion forum. They need to post one opinions and reply to their post. And then the second assessment will be done by a quiz activity. It will be done in form of multiple choice and also short answer question. And then the last assessment is by doing an assignment. The students need complete the assignments individually and submit the assignment before the due date. Next. So as you guys can see here, there is a picture of the activity we designed for these courses, which include discussion forum, quiz, and assignments. And as I mentioned before, that in the discussion activity, students need to post one opinions regarding to the question provided and reply to their friend post, and then they need to do a quiz in form of multiple choice and also short answer question to understand about descriptive text, like analyzing the specific detail and others. And also they need to complete assignments individually by answering some questions but based on the descriptive text provided in the assignment, and they need to submit it before the due date, and then the discussion. From all of this activity we designed, we think that students can understand about descriptive text and its characteristic from these activities, like they will know about the purposes of descriptive text, the main idea of descriptive text, and also the specific detail from the descriptive text. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Yulia. Last but not least, I will explain about the conclusion. In conclusion, lesson plan effectively integrates a multimedia approach by utilizing a YouTube video to introduce descriptive text, allowed by a collaborative discussion forum to foster understanding of main idea. Subsequently, a quiz and assignment are implemented to assess student ability to identify specific details, recognize the purpose, vocabulary, and the text structure. This sequence allows for potential exposure, active engagement through peer interaction, and finally, individual assessment of the learning objectives related to the reading comprehension of descriptive text. That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.